Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to introduce you a solution to an error that occurs many of the times in the new PCs, especially in the Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and may also can occur in the Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, I would be telling you the complete solution that how you can resolve it in few steps. So before going further, I want to display you what the error is. Here is my application, and it is showing such kind of error which states that the code execution can't be proceed because MSVCR100.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. I will click OK, and again there is another error. The code execution can't be proceed because MSVCP110.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So again we would be clicking OK, and then another error pop up. So this is the common error that may be found in your PCs while starting any application. So I would be providing you the software or the driver link. So this is the link from where you can download the driver. So how you can download, just copy this link. I would be just copy pasting this link in my video. Then after copying this link to your clipboard, you have to go to the Google web browser, then you have to paste it. Then after pasting it, you would be watching or have a pop-up such like that, through which you can download this software. This download I have downloaded this software, and it has a file size of 6.85 MB, so it's not more than 10 MBs, and it would not take more than 10 minutes to be downloaded. For first you have to download this software, and then you have to install it. It's not the software but the driver. Since I have downloaded it already, without wasting time, I would display you how you can install it. So you have to go to the setup where you have downloaded. So here is the setup that I have downloaded. You have to click on it. So it is the Microsoft Visual C++ 2012 redistributable 64-bit file. So you have to agree to the license and the terms, and then install it. So here is again the pop-up. You have to click the yes, and it would continue the installation. As you can see, the setup is successful. Then you have to click on the close button. Now it's finished. Now I would display you how you can check your application, and I hope that my application would be running fine. Let's see. As you can see, we have done it, and our application is not giving any kind of error. You would have enjoyed our video and must have found the complete solution to your problem. Must like our video, share our video, and subscribe to our channel and support our project. Thanks once again.